Hello, my lovely. Let's make breakfast together this morning. What I'm making, ackee and saltfish with roast breadfruit. Yes, guys. So come, let's go. So this is it, guys. I have my breadfruit. I have some ackee, what I already pick out and clean up. That's ready for cook now. I have tomato, bell pepper, a piece of thyme, and I'm supposed to get 2 onions. I don't have any onion right now. I'm going to get the onions, right? So this is what we'll be having for breakfast. So let's go and prepare. The first thing I'm going to do is peel the breadfruit. Half right, guys. You know, when the breadfruit half right. So this is it, guys. It doesn't look like it now so good, is it? Now so good. That's not like my restaurant if I were. It doesn't look like it now so good now. Okay, so I'm going to cut up the breadfruit now and salt it. You can salt it 2 ways. You can salt it by putting salt in the pot, in the oil, or you can salt it by, when you finish, you just sprinkle some salt over it. Right? Come closer now, take a seat, smell that pepper, taste that sweet, from the garden to the bowl. Everything. So this is the portion of breadfruit that we are going to look after. To sprinkle some salt over the breadfruit. Go ahead and put on the saltfish to boil. Alright, let's go. Okay, so we're going to put on the saltfish to boil now. This is the saltfish. This is like half on a saltfish. So I'm going to wash off some of the salt and then put it in the pot. Right, so this is the saltfish. Wash it off. Let's put it in the pot. I'll cover it down. So I'm going to allow the saltfish to boil for some time, probably about 10 minutes, and then we'll put the ackee in, right? We're not going to put any salt in there because the salt is going to boil out in the water, okay? So while the saltfish over here boiling, just boil over, guys. I'm going to cut up the seasoning in the meantime because we want to do everything around about the same time. Alright, so we don't want to fry the breadfruit yet. So I'm going to cut up some seasoning in the meanwhile. And here again we have a tomato, bell pepper, green, and red. I have some scotch bonnet pepper come off of my own tree, guys, my own tree. And we get the onions now. And I have a little piece of thyme. Okay, so let's go and cut up. I love to chunk my vegetables because I don't want them to cook fully. I love to hear the crunch in the vegetables. Chop the mango, slice the lime. Family meals taste better every time. Mama's hand and your hands too. We make it very thin. I don't like that. Okay, see, we've gone about 10 minutes now, and I am going to go in with my ackee, but before we do that, just I put a few pimento seed in the water, you know, add the flavor. I'm going now with my ackee. And the ackee don't have a special time to cook. You just have to taste it 2 times when it cook, right? You don't have no special time for different ackee, different time, right? So you just check on it and you just take out one like this. You can squeeze it or you can eat it to see if it is fully cooked, alright? So that is it right there. Ackee boiled. And over here I'm finished cut up my seasoning. Yes, guys, I put some garlics in as well. I'm going to chop those up and wait for the ackee to reach a part before we start frying the breadfruit. Alright? Okay guys, so the I have the pot on the fire now. I'm going to fry the breadfruit. Time to fry the breadfruit. Let's go. And then I want to burn in again, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to use a broad pot so we can hold more breadfruit at once. So probably 2 frying and all of the breadfruit and fry. I'm using coconut oil. Coconut oil. Alright, so let that spray. Go and fry. Guys, you see that vibrant color there? See that vibrant color? Who fry their breadfruits after roasting? Let me know in the comment section if you fry your breadfruit after it roast. Taste the ackee, guys, and the ackee still want to cook some more, but guess what? I'm going to take out the saltfish. I'm going to take out the saltfish and pick up the saltfish. Right? Let the ackee go and cook. Alright? And we're going to take out our breadfruit as well. We're going to put it here on the napkin to drain. And put it to drain. And then put in the last set. So the last set finish, you're supposed to can go ahead and fry up with ackee and saltfish, Jamaican national dish. This is all the seasoning. We're going to go in with the garlics first, you know, and then we flavor the pot. Flavor the oil. So we put in everything else: pepper, bell pepper, onion and tomato. Yeah, this is the pick up saltfish, the half pound of saltfish. This is the amount that we get when we finish and we pack it up. Alright guys, see, it come down nicely. Everything will come down nice. Pimento. Yes guys, you have to flavor the pot in it, you know. So I'm just go ahead and put in my saltfish. The fish that never broke up. Put in the saltfish. Just a little bit so you know it has been salt, right? And the saltfish don't salt already. So you don't need now whole little salt. Alright guys, so this is it now. What we're going to do now, we're going to clean. Okay. Because it's about to throw it in from out of the pot. Everything. We are straight for everything out of the pot. And put it in, right? So this is the ackee, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and put some black pepper before me stir it. Generous amount of black pepper for me. You put it according to your style and liking, alright? So I just pour in the ackee now in the saltfish with the seasoning. Yes, guys. Oh my. Look at Jamaica national dish. Ackee and saltfish. You see the little green in it. You see the whole heap of yellow. The little black tomato them not too sure, but you know we have tomato and thing in it. Guys, if you know Jamaican, you love a good tasting pot. Yeah? Good tasting pot, alright? So let's just sprinkle some more black pepper now, alright. You know, feel like not really raining it, like garnishing. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Let me take you closer. Look at that. Jamaican national dish, ackee and saltfish. And we have the breadfruit over there, so we are going to go with it. So watch you now, man. I'm going to allow this to just simmer down. I'm going to turn on the stove and just allow it to simmer down for about between 3 to 5 minutes. And then we come back and serve up your plate, right? Who wants some? Don't leave, you know. Don't leave because your plate will be here waiting. Alright, blessing. Okay, guys, so everything finished now. Ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit, roast and fry. Roast and fry, roast and fry. Alright, go ahead now and share what Kevin wants, alright? And guys, remember, presentation is very important, right? Presentation is very important. Right? So I think Kevin are going to eat more than that. Right? I think you're not going to eat more than that. Saltfish. Look at it, guys. One more look at the ackee and saltfish. Let's stir it up again. Let it go so bang. It goes so bang. See that, guys? I love the ackee, so I eat all of the ackee. And probably it might come back for probably a slice of bread or something. Yes, guys, let me take it closer to the dish. So this is it. So this is Kevin one. And then now I'm gonna make Kevin tea, cup of tea. So look at that now. See it? Make this out of sight. So I'm gonna make some tea. Kevin now. Miss Titi, big up yourself. Happy to meet you. Happy to meet you, my girl. Real Titi. Same over phone. Same over in a live and living color. If you know, you know. Miss Titi, big up yourself. And then just pour some water. So this. This is already mixed. So we don't need any sugar or anything. So tea ready, breakfast ready. So this is it. Kevin breakfast ready. Just put a fork with it. Guys, I eat that. Jamaican national dish, ackee and saltfish with roast and fried breadfruit and some chocolate tea. What more do you want for your breakfast? Blessing everyone. Thank you for sticking and staying, and I'll see you in the next video to come, okay? Or in my live stream. God bless you. Wow, good.